Language is one of the most stubborn witnesses of historical origin. You can erase anything, but language will remain. Ikwere language belongs to the Igbo family of languages. Yes, the Ikwere language belongs to the Igbo cluster. Linguist K. Williamson classified Ikwere as genetically closer to Igbo than the Niger Delta languages. Okay? Basic vocabulary also has it that kinship terms, numbers, land, water, body parts follow Igbo patterns in the Ikwere language. Languages can change, but they rarely ever lie about ancestry. Language is one of the biggest tellers, one of the biggest evidences, one of the biggest pointers to identity of a people. One thing that confirms what language suggests is culture. Ikwere's social organization reflects Igbo republicanism and Igbo way of life. They are not
Ele